Hey guys, Dean here from Waltz Up, where Outside for Wealth is to trade, invest, and prosper. This morning I got a very interesting question on one of the comments for the video that I uploaded yesterday. And the question was, what is an ASR? And so I just thought it would be really good to kind of elaborate on the answer that I gave, but at the same time kind of give you guys a bit of an understanding of what I mean when I say ASR. So ASR is not necessarily a term that I came up with. It's actually something that I learned through my time trading and through the various courses that I've done within the industry. But generally an ASR is simply it's an acronym for Advanced Self-Review. And what that means is that this particular step or process that you follow, the main objective for an ASR is to ensure that you are able to kind of capture all of the data related to trades that you may have missed, and highlighting the reasons that you may have missed these trades, whilst at the same time screenshotting it and adding it to your ASR database. And what I usually do when I use an ASR is I calculate the percentage that I subsequently will have missed, and I see what my week could have been if I had taken those trades. And there's various reasons that I miss trades. It's either that I may be in a meeting, I may be driving, I may not be at my laptop at the time, I may not be in a place where there's proper signal and the alert that went off wasn't received in time for me to take the trade. So there's various things that could potentially lead to you missing a trade. But much of the time it's a case of me not necessarily paying attention. It's a case of me not necessarily being present with what is happening with the markets at that specific point in time, and the result of that means that I miss out on the trade. So the ASR is simply just a measurement that I use to determine if I'm making progress, because the higher my return in terms of percentage that I have on my ASR, which means that the lower my return on my actual trading journal is. So the lower my ASR results are, return on investment, monthly performance, whatever you want to call it, and that will subsequently mean the higher my journal or my weekly return on investment or percentage return for the week might be. Because the ASR is mainly just to capture all the trades that I may have missed, but it's trades that is on my watch list, trades that I flagged, trades that I planned on taking based on the analysis that I would have done over the weekend. But because I did not take the trades, I missed out on a sizable amount of returns that I could have allocated or grown my account by. But at the same time, if I look at my trade journal, my return in for the week might not have been as high as the return that I would have had with my ASR. And so that's kind of the balancing beam. If I have a low ASR but a high week in terms of my journal, then that means that I had a good week. But if I have a high ASR and I have a low journal, that means that I missed out on a lot of trades that I should have taken but didn't take. Now I need to make sure that I know why I haven't taken any of those trades, and then go about creating contingencies that will prevent that from happening again. Because you see, at the end of the day, it's not about just taking trades. It's about having a system that you can implement that ensures that every trade setup that comes together that you plan to take initially gets taken, regardless of the outcome of that trade. And so I really do hope that that little explanation of what exactly a ASR is and the way I use it makes sense to you guys. If you have any other questions regarding ASR or any other system that you may want to implement in your trading to improve your process and systems, then please feel free to write them down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to go through it and answer whatever questions I can, and if possible, I'll definitely do a video on it as well. For the most part, I hope that you guys are having an awesome Sunday. Have a brilliant week ahead, and I look forward to chatting to you all soon. Up until then, keep well, and bye for now.